Hi guys! Today we are unboxing this AMD Radeon RX 7800 XT. It has 60 compute units, 16 gigabytes of memory and a price of $500. So, ta-da! There is something here. What's this? A secret compartment with some leaflets from AMD. And here is the GPU itself. It's rather compact, though it's above 2 slots in width. It has two fans, a lot of fins. 3 fins are red. It's quite similar design to the higher end 7900 XT and 7900 XTX, just a bit smaller. It has 3 8-pin power connectors and your regular 3 display ports plus 1 HDMI. So let's see how big it is next to the 7900 XT with its 3 fans cooler. So here it is. It's about the same size, just a little bit shorter. That's it guys, bye!